Do not gloat over me, my enemy. Though I have fallen, I will rise. Though I sit in darkness, the Lord will be my light. There's a certain silence after a setback. A stillness that follows when life knocks you down, when dreams slip through your fingers, and every effort seems to fall short. But here's what you need to remember: this is not the end of your story. This is where your great comeback begins. Every comeback story starts with a moment like this. The moment where all seems lost, but there's a small spark inside, a spark that says, "This isn't over." That's your spirit. That's your resilience. It's the part of you that refuses to stay down. Think about the legends, the people who've changed the world, who've inspired millions. They weren't born in moments of comfort and ease. They were forged in moments of doubt, failure, and hardship. They faced loss. They fell. They were broken. And then, they rose. Right now, life might feel overwhelming. It might feel like you've lost control. But this is not where you give up. This is where you stand up. The world may doubt you, you may even doubt yourself, but deep down, you know you've got one more fight left in you. Comebacks aren't just about bouncing back. They're about rising stronger, wiser, with a fire that refuses to be put out. Your comeback is about proving, to yourself and to the world, that you're more than the sum of your failures. It's about turning every scar, every setback, into fuel. The pain you're feeling now? It's shaping you. Every late night, every tough decision, every ounce of energy you put in when no one's watching, these are the building blocks of your comeback. When you rise again, you won't be the same person. You'll be stronger, bolder, hungrier for the success you deserve. This comeback isn't just about returning to where you were. It's about reaching a place you never dreamed possible. You're not defined by how you fell. You're defined by how you get back up. So, gather your strength. Remember the dreams you had, the reasons you started. Because it's going to be incredible. Believe. Believe in yourself. Share this message with someone who needs to hear it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.